There you go. That was a Hail Mary. Finally. Ready to go. Whoa. Okay. Forward. He's out. He should. It's getting dark out, but I just got to this doe here that I shot. She's a nice sized doe. You can't see this, but I'm gutting this deer and a skunk runs up on me. Oh my goodness. I heard a noise. I thought it was a cat. Smoke's already rolling, so let's get it going. How far do you think they are? Probably 1,000 yards. 1,000. Not in very good shape either. It's got a little bit of blood in its ears, a little bit on its hoof. This hoof looks kind of fat, like it broke it or something, almost. And then it's got bubbles coming out of its nose. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one's got a thick beard. All nice birds though. I was over here spraying around some of the trees and just caught a glimpse of them. I'm not going to pick them up, I'm just going to leave them go. Don't want to bother them too much, but kind of cool to see. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at these food plots that we planted last fall. And some of that stuff that we planted, like turnips, there's some annual clovers in there. All that has obviously died, but we do have some some rye, some cereal rye in these plots. We do have some clovers in here. We want to clip these, and this is the seed. So clip those down to about here, and it'll come back with even fuller growth. And obviously, taking rid of some of this will get rid of the competition as far as for sunlight anyway. And we do have some chicory in here. Here's some chicory here. It kind of looks like a broadleaf weed. That'll help those out. And obviously there's grass in here that needs to be cut back or sprayed, but I'm just going to cut it back. Alright, so this is after mowing. Got about the right height here. Nipped off most of the seed head. White seed head, as you see. I mean, there's a little bit left, but got most of it. So, and then over here, I did a mineral lick. There was a doe that kind of bounded off when I came. I was a little worried there might be a fawn in here somewhere in the grass hiding, but there wasn't, so that was good. So we'll move to the third spot. So I picked up a bunch of this Lucky Buck mineral. I just dumped the bucket out. I got another one I'll put out in a different spot, but yeah, we'll hang a trail camera here and we'll see what comes in.
Dad, it's crawling towards me.
It's not gonna hurt you. In closing out this video, I have a couple projects I wanted to show you I've been working on. Some of these steps for these shooting houses are old and busted, so I built some new steps. I built a new door for one of them. And I also this year picked up a rototiller, and hopefully this will help out with food plots, preparing the bed for that. This is a graft in a previous video that I did that it succeeded. And here's a couple of sheds that I found this year. One of them was recently shed, and the other one's from a prior year. And finally, somebody had cut the chain on the gate going into the farm. That's always a fun surprise to see that. So thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more.